Hey friends, hey y'all, I'm ContactCoCoDenise if you're new. And guys, I have a confession. I am probably one of the few, but I have returned the Quilted Coach Tabby 26. And I also returned the Diamond Quilted Kira from Tory Burch. Let me explain why. We'll start with Tory Burch. And if you saw my unboxing, you know that I was really excited about the Kira. We got a pink bag! We got a pink bag! Oh, wow. And the only issue I had with it was all of the wrinkles and puckering that was around the Tory Burch emblem. I just couldn't get over that, especially for that price. And I end up taking the purse back to Tory Burch, the boutique. The SA was really nice to me. We walked around, she showed me all of the Tory Burch diamond quilted Kiras in the different styles, and she explained to me how they all have that. She said that there is a chance that, you know, you can order and you get another one. It may not be as prevalent with the creasing, but the way that that is designed is going to have the creasing. She also told me that with the black, it is a little less noticeable. So for that one, the best one to probably get would be the black. And so I'm like, okay, I don't need the black, which is, you know, why I got the white. And then we moved over to the Kira Chevron, and she recommended, she said that this one holds up very well. It would not have that creasing like the Quilted Diamond did. And I asked her that they have that particular color, the white, and she said no. So at that point, I decided not to exchange it, but I did a return. And maybe I will revisit once it's on sale, but I definitely do not believe that it's worth that particular price, especially the white with all that puckering and wrinkling.
I said what I said.
So yeah, that's it for the Kira. And then for the Quilted Coach 26, another one, absolutely love. Now that Coach bag is, to me, immaculate. It's definitely giving luxury vibes. Before I take the tags off of my bags, because you can't return it, I try it on, I wear it for a little bit just to make sure it's comfortable. I like the way it feels. And unfortunately, the Quilted 26 with that chain, it just didn't, it wasn't giving for me. It actually hurt my shoulder, literally like after 4 minutes. So I put it on crossbody, and then I just kind of walked around the house for about 4 or 5 minutes, and my shoulder was already hurting. So then I switched it to the other side, same thing happened. And then I just put it on as a shoulder bag, and with the shoulder bag, it wasn't as fast. It did take a little longer for my shoulder to hurt, and I think that's because it has 2 straps with the support. Yeah, that was a deal breaker for me, because I can't be carrying around a purse that hurts my shoulder. Second thing, after the strap issue, I just continued to inspect the bag, and that leather is very delicate. It's very delicate. And I made the decision that because of, number one was a deal breaker, but because of the chain and how painful it is for me, I can't even imagine how people are carrying that 36. I cannot imagine it. But because of the pain for the pain with the strap, and then on top of that, the delicate leather, I decided to return it. Maybe they'll come out with the leather. But when I went in and I spoke with the SA, she said that for them, the Quilted Tabby 26 is kind of like a cross between the Madison and the Tabby. So with that being said, I didn't get the Madison because of the same thing with the strap. So guys, I just wanted to come and give you guys an update and let you know that I have returned both bags. Yeah, I did. I had to return both of them. Let me know if you have purchased either one. Have you returned them? How are you feeling about it? I am very interested to see and hear what the 6-month reviews are gonna look like for this bag. I really am, and how people are, you know, going to speak about the bags. I did see a denim collection coming out. I will take a look at that. But other than that, I'm not really looking for any bags right now. I feel really sad because I was really pumped. I really wanted both of those and it didn't work out. Sometimes it just doesn't, even though they're both beautiful. Guys, if you've made it this far, I just want to thank you so much for sticking around. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.